Hi, my name is David Strong. I am addressing Chapter 4, the quiz access in week 8, problem number 7. Let me share my screen and we can talk about what I did. Okay, so it's a 4-step process. The first one is the journal entry worksheet. This first one is recording record the closing of the credit balances in the temporary accounts. So we're going to take the sales. We pull it off right here from above. We're going to debit it. And then we're going to take that money and we're going to credit our income summary. So they balance out both of them to 0. We'll move on to the second part. And it's the record the closing debit balances in the temporary accounts. So we're going to go find all the temporary accounts up above. We have the sales discount, the sales return allowances, cost of goods, salary expenses, utility expenses, selling expenses, and admin expenses. We take the numbers from the debit area, we credit them to get them off, to zero them out. We add them up and we come up with the total. And that total amount was $541. And this answer, it took me some little bit to figure it out. And I used all of check my work. So if this is not correct, please let me know. But that is the number that I came up with. So I'm hoping it is correct. And like I said, I used my 3 checks and none of the 3 I got it right. I asked Brother Slate for some help and I think that's the direction he gave me. The 2 should zero out. So we've credited all of those accounts to close them and we've moved it to a debit of the income summary. We jump back to the first one and we've credited the income summary, the 541. We've now debited it 5454400, and that is where we come up with this number on our income summary for the total of those 2 credits and debits, at which point we're going to move that money to zero it out into the retained earnings. And so they both match, they'll zero out, and that is where this number came from, is the debit and the credit on steps 1 and 2. Step 4 is we come back up again to the dividends and we're going to credit the dividend $36,000. And in order, it's going to be pulled out of those retained earnings to zero that account out also. So all 4 now have the exact same on the debit and the credit lines. Hopefully that makes sense and it helps everybody out. Hopefully everybody let me know again if check my work is incorrect and we've got any questions. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.